In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Inside Pitchfork on Tradingview, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work for this walkthrough, so just pick the chart you want to practice on. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the upper left side of your screen. This is where most of your drawing tools are located. Find the icon for the trendline tools. It usually looks like a simple diagonal line. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear with different drawing options. In that list, look for Inside Pitchfork and click it. As soon as you select it, your cursor will turn into a drawing tool and you're ready to place it on your chart. Now you'll create 3 points. Start by clicking on your first point on the chart. This is typically placed at a significant high or low, depending on the structure you want to analyze. Then, move your cursor and click to create your second point. This should mark another key swing in price, helping define the overall direction. Finally, move to your last point and click again. After that third click, Tradingview will automatically draw the Inside Pitchfork for you. You'll see a central median line and parallel lines inside, creating a channel-like structure. This Inside Pitchfork can help you visualize potential areas of support and resistance, and it's very useful for understanding how price might move within a trend. You can drag any of the anchor points to adjust the pitchfork so it lines up better with your market structure. You can also customize how it looks. Click on the Inside Pitchfork to select it, and a small toolbar should appear. From here, you can open your templates to save or apply a preferred style. You can change the color to something that stands out clearly against your chart background, and you can adjust the line width so it's either more subtle or more bold, depending on your preference. If you open the full settings, you'll be able to fine-tune visibility, coordinates, and other style options. If you don't want the pitchfork to move accidentally, use the lock option so it stays in place while you analyze. When you're done with it, you can simply click Remove to delete it from your chart. That's the basics of using the Inside Pitchfork on Tradingview. Selecting it, plotting 3 points, adjusting and customizing. Take a bit of time to practice on different charts, see how price reacts to those lines, and integrate it into your trading toolkit. Happy trading.